Hello, everybody. We have something out here called the Nautical Mind Navigation AI machine. We have the AI machine here, and then we have the AI here, which is the core engine. This is actually the core engine, synchronizing with all the Galaxy machines and making it the AI machine. And we have what is called a relative formula out here reading like this: the rising sun 6 a.m., it rises in the sun, it rises in the morning, that is 6 a.m., and sets in the evening, that's 6 p.m. That's the sun. We're talking about the sun. We use the sun in actually actualizing direction from west to east. The sun moves like this. Yeah, it's what? Yeah, it's actually 6 in the morning, and yeah, it's 6 in the evening. But when you look at the time, definitely, if yeah is 6 in the morning, yeah is 6 in the evening, this is not all about time, definitely. This is all talking about direction, not nautical directions. So this is actually 6 in the morning, and this is 6 in the evening, and then that means it tends to move like this. But it tends to move like this from here to this place. But in actual sense, it moves from here like this. It moves like this, clockwise. So you see the sun moving like this. The sun moves like this, moves like this, moves like this, comes to the north, moves like this, comes to the east again, then moves like this again, to the south, and moves to the west. It rotates like this in the axis, clockwise. So we have MSP here. We have MSP here. That's the modular sensory perception. With the modular sensory perception, we'll be able to relate to many countries and many galaxies. Keep many. When you click it, you have the options there. You put modular codes of many countries in there, and you see how the sun is interacting with the time. You can keep time. You can keep the time there. Put the modular code of your time there. Just click your modular code of your time, if your wristwatch, your time, and keep it there, and put a modular code of of the city, of the country there, and then you'll be able to tell the direction of that country through MSP. It will show you where you are, the location where you are, the nautical miles that you are in. First of all, you have to keep in the modular code of your time, your wristwatch, what the wristwatch you have, the time in your house. You have to keep the time there, the modular code of it, and keep the modular code of the country. Are you able to locate yourself? It will give you your nautical miles, give you your directions, give you where you are located, the place you are located in that country, and at what direction, north or south or west of that country. And we have what they call the record button, definitely. The record button is an effective button, definitely, that helps you to go back to the past and tends to know about, like, eye perception, what happened in the past, definitely, in terms of directions and all that. So you'll be able to know how morning was, what direction your room was at, what direction your room is at actually, and in 5 years ago, how it was positioned, and so many things, because it's moving. The earth is rotating, and the earth rotates, and the galaxy, they rotate in an axis around the sun. So they're actually moving. When they move around, that is 1 year. And so definitely based on this rotation, so you have what we call different nautical miles at different positions in relations to the sun. So those are the things we can find with the record, the stop, the play, the record, rewind, red, play, stop, play, record, fast forward, green, and loop. You can loop it and know what you should know about the nautical miles, and you can get into different realms and know the nautical miles in your room or in your cities or in your country. This is the nautical navigation AI. Just type in the country in here and type in the time, and you'll be able to get it through this, through the AI machine, and through what is actually spelled out here. Something is here. This is two magnets here and a pin here, and when these two magnets are reacting, definitely the pin will actually be straight if they are reacting on polar differences. If they are reacting on polar differences. So if this polar is reacting with this polar is reacting with this, the pin will be in one place. It will be shaking in one place, and the top is the north, while the down is the south. So if you have that in your wristwatch, definitely working with an AI, and if you move like this, if you move, definitely the air definitely will act on the magnet, definitely, and that's what I use: the air density, air speed, force, electromagnetic field, magnets, and pins. As you move, I'm going to make the wristwatch very beautiful. So as you move in out through the air comes in, definitely reacts with the magnet and the pin, definitely, and you see it moving. And as the pin is moving, you can tell the north, the south, the east, the west, and it will be decoded to your AI machine, and your AI machine and your AI will then give you a description about where you are located. This is actually a practical way to get it, definitely, but this is connected to your AI, so this helps. It's a digital one. It's a digital magnet and a digital pin, so it will help. You have the MX AI, that is the modular power AI powering it, and then we have the nautical direction miles, definitely. So you have north, east, south, west. So you said it moves like this: north 15 degrees east, not 10 degrees east, and then when it gets to east, it will be east 20, east 70, east 16, or east 20 degrees south, something like that. Not something, it's just exactly like that. That's how it moves. It moves like this. So we have what they call the photos out here, and you can copy it. You can drag and drop your photos here, and then when you drag and drop your photos here, once you drag and drop your photos here, definitely something happens. Definitely you'll be able to tell the city your cities are actually. You'll be able to tell your cities the weather of your city, the direction of your city, the nautical direction or the nautical navigation of your city, and all that. And nowadays you have the digital motherboard, digital RAM, digital wheel, and drag and drop, digital CPUs create. We have latitude, longitude, and degrees AI zoom. We have I-18, the AI cosmic direction AI sun instant locator. The instant locator is that as it moves, definitely, as the magnet moves, definitely, as it moves, definitely, it gives an instructions to the AI. So the AI gives what they call an instant location, or an instant location or locator movement. We have the toggle out here. The toggle is beautiful. The toggle is actually something really beautiful. We have the toggle out here. We have the right, we have the left, we have the up and the down, the toggle. And this is actually meant definitely to toggle, to move your directions, For example, it helps actually to adjust your your directions, definitely. For example, if you want to move the north to the south, or the south to the east, or the south to the east, you can use it with the toggle. So we can rotate the sun. and we can rotate the earth. If we can rotate the sun, we can rotate the earth. So with this, we can actually rotate the earth through nautical miles. And here we have something they call the computer. We have this, and this is actually the AI machine, and this is the AI cast. And then we have the sun. Yeah, it's the relationship between the sun and the cast, the computer. And then this is actually beautiful. And this is actually something that we have to know about. And this is actually the nautical. This is actually, let's wait. Wait, I have to tell you something about all this. The sun moves to the cast, and the cast moves to the computer, and the computer moves to the AI machine. And this is the sun movement. Air density, air speed, air force, electronic magnet pins. I think I have to really be very quick about all this. Halos are disturbing me. I have to spell this out in this. I'm having more than 1 billion halos coming into my realm and disturbing me. I think it should stop. With all this that I've just described, I know definitely you'll be able to have something about the nautical mind navigation AI man. Please take it serious. Pray for your God, ALIYO, Professor Dr. ALIYO Momot. The demons and the halos are fighting. They don't want you to enjoy all this. Please, listen